This is the alligator, and here comes Agilan Thani. Boom, shakalaka. This crowd wants the finish from Agilan Thani.
Every time I do my best, not only for myself, but to represent the people in my country. I thought I'm going to be like a local show fighter, but I'm fighting in the biggest promotion in the world. To compete in front of Malaysian fans is always awesome. The best part that there are people you know in the crowd watching you fight. That like really hypes you up to just perform your best for them. I gotta keep winning. I gotta put the country on the map. That way, more people will get opportunities in this country to pursue what I'm pursuing right now. The legacy that I want to leave in this sports, that I helped make martial arts grow in Malaysia for the people